What? Dubai chocolates. So what are you pouring now?
If you really care, pussy nigga, write a letter. Ryan solo, and I'm still in the group. Biggest in my.
Hey guys, welcome back to my mom's channel, aka Timmy to the world.
Timmy Tea of Life.
Oh yeah, Timmy TFI, sorry. Today we're gonna be making the viral Dubai chocolate. Even though we're kind of late, it's alright. It's alright. So we got the chocolate. We got the chocolate mold. We got the tahini and the dried kataifi. So first off, we still have our pistachio butter, but it's not here yet, so we're just gonna have to wait. We're gonna do this step first, like melt the chocolate and then what's it called? And then put it in the mold. So let's wash the mold first because let's see first. Let's dry it. Make sure what's it called? It's a little bit wet so the chocolate don't stick completely. So now I have made a pot of hot water. So I'm gonna melt one of the chocolates because yeah, I'm gonna leave it in there for a little bit. You have to melt it so the chocolate can, fit into the chocolate.
So what she's doing right now, she's trying to melt the chocolate.
Yep.
So that's what she's doing, guys. So, and Madame said she wants to make Dubai chocolate. So I was like, okay, we have to see what she's going to make. So right now, she's trying to melt the chocolate. I hope I got the chocolate very well. Chocolate. So that's what she's doing, guys.
We're putting it in like this because so we can so we can, melt it faster. Taju, can you make chocolate melt? You can feel it once it's done. It's just
Why don't you just leave it inside the water to be melting instead of dipping it out, putting it in?
so we can feel it.
Okay, just why don't you put the two inside? I thought you want to use the two. Or how many do you want to
We're gonna
use?
make sure if that one is washed.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we are waiting for it to melt.
Okay, make sure you have like a dot here because it's kind of hot. Okay, so it's kind of melted now. I mean it is. So do we have scissors?
I don't.
Guys, this bowl is just to make sure that And then pour the melted chocolate in here. It's kind of still hot. That can make you soothe it out. And then just do it like this in a bowl so the extra chocolate can just fall off. So you can make sure the chocolate gets everywhere. Make sure it covers all the blue places. So, we can get a good one. Make sure all the extra chocolate goes down so it doesn't be extra overflowing chocolate. So after you melt your chocolate and put it in the silicone mold, you put it in the freezer so the chocolate can freeze, and then we can make the filling, the pistachio filling. Yeah, we're about to put it in the freezer now.
So when are you going to put the saltine, or what is it called?
Tahini?
Yeah, when are you going to put that one there?
Oh, not tahini. Tahini.
Okay, so when are you going to add those two?
We're gonna put it in when the pistachio get here.
Okay, so right now you're putting this one in the freezer.
Yeah, so it can sit before we do.
Like how many minutes? So we are going to give them.
Like 10 minutes, I think.
Okay, so guys, I think she's done now. She's just trying to make sure that the
extra
chocolates circulate on what is that called?
The chocolate mold silicone.
Okay, chocolate mold. So she's just trying to make sure that everything is inside the chocolate mold. So right now, after what she's doing now, she's going to put it in the freezer, and she said it's going to last for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, guys, we'll be back for the finishing part, right? All right, guys, so stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. See you shortly. Sorry, you are going to see only Madam's face on this content. You are not going to see my face on this content. Yep. Thank you. See you shortly, guys. Thank you so much.
Goodbye.
Shortly. Bye. What are you pouring now? Talk now. So what is that? So now we are still on our Dubai chocolate. So now she's pouring. I don't know what's that she's pouring.
Dried can.
Okay.
Now you're gonna stir it until.
So what did you add first?
Look.
Butter?
Butter.
Yeah, okay, butter.
Now we gotta stir it until it's brown.
Okay, until it's brown, guys. So that one she pour butter and dried katai free.
Yeah, kataifi.
Katai free. Okay.
Okay, guys.
So it's now brown.
Yeah. So now, excuse me. Now we have to pour it in here.
You still have some excess.
Guys, let me wash this spoon. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna add. We already did our dried kataifi. Now we're gonna do our tahini and add our pistachio to it. So first, you're gonna just need a spoonful of pistachio, like that, and then. And then you're gonna add a little bit of your tahini. Oh, and move the cover first. First, we have to shake our tahini. And then now we're gonna add a little bit of tahini. Okay. Now we're gonna mix the pistachio and the. Okay, y'all, I didn't add enough of pistachio and tahini, so I'm about to add some more. Let me add a little bit more. Okay. Just a little bit, yeah. Okay. Make sure you don't add like a lot, so it doesn't be extra watery. So this, it smells like marshmallows.
Okay, so you have to
more
put
there?
it.
I guess.
If the wall was down.
Okay, so after I now put the chocolates on top, you now put it in the freezer.
And then we'll be done.
Oh, okay, but you still need to put it in the freezer, right? Oh wow, guys, is checking that. So after this, she still need to cover it up with the chocolate, but right now I don't think she have the chocolate. But let's see.
That looks yummy.
Yeah, it's going to be yummy, right?
Mommy gave me 2 1.
Okay. Okay.
We're slowly adding the chocolate so it can cover the places up. Spoon so we can spread it. Let's see if it's enough, y'all. Okay, it's enough. We're definitely gonna spread it and then we'll be done.
I thought it's supposed to cover everywhere.
Yeah, it is. I was just spreading it so it doesn't, In New York City. I'm spreading it so it can see if it's gonna cover everywhere. Be back and
So what are you going to do next?
so we're just gonna freeze it and then after we freeze this one, we're done officially.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so it's finally done and frozen. So now we're gonna do the result. We have to take it out gently so it doesn't break. Ooh, wait, y'all.
What? Dubai chocolates. Let's see.
Guys, this is the Dubai chocolate.
Wow.
Okay. Ready? Break it in half.
What? No way.
Really, Deb?
It shouldn't be easy to break.
Can you get knife and use it to cut
Like
it?
this.
Yeah, let me get it.
Catch it?
How does it taste?
Mmm.
So guys, this is the Dubai chocolate. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and also share. Until next time, we'll be back with another cookie. So which cookie are you going to make next time?
Probably chocolate chip cookie.
Okay, so she said next time she's going to make chocolate chips cookie. Thank you guys, and sorry you won't be able to see my face on this content. And thank you, stay blessed out there. Bye.